Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the TheSignaler indicator again. There is a 7-day free trial going on at the minute, so don't miss out. But today we're going to be talking about a gold trade that I took on Monday, and I'm going to be walking you through the indicator and how I caught this trade. This is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. Let's jump to the video. So guys, here we are on gold, and as I said, the indicator is in your invite only. Click the signaler onto the screen and you will be presented with this. Quick rundown: you have boss plus over here, that is the larger swing leg. The smaller boss with the dashed lines, are your microstructure within that. So using these two things, you can kind of get a read on the flow of the market. So right now, because the boss plus is bearish, we know that we are currently in a bearish swing. If you're struggling to grow your social media, there is a platform out there that I personally have used, and I know that every other YouTuber has used themselves. Now, the sponsor is SMM Go. And if you go there today, you can see that you can change whatever social media you have into an absolute rocket ship. They're going to help you every single step of the way. You'll get real service with real speed with an honest and transparent service. So guys, if you're looking to boost your social media and you just haven't got the time or you don't know where to start, then SMM Go is the place for you. Go to smmgo.io today. The links are in the description below. Go ahead, get started and boost that social media. Let's get back to the video. So to take you over to the gold trade that I took on Monday, we are into the New York session, and as I said, the flow of the market right now is currently bearish. So I would be ignoring longs and mostly looking for sells. So jump on the chart and we look to play it out. You can see here that we do get given a chock, and that just means a change of character. Now, the wonderful thing about that is that it does give you a boss. You had the chock here, then you get a boss, and then it gives you your entry. Now, I'm quite comfortable taking this due to the fact that we are in a bearish market. Now, the stop loss is up here. This is based on an average true range, right? Now, I know a lot of you, if you want to, you can stick it behind the structural point. That's not an issue. It will give you a better R&R, but in terms of this indicator, it will give you a stop loss based on the average true range. And the take profits is TP1, TP2, TP3. These are purely based on 1-to-1s, 2-to-1s and 3-to-1s, but for the sake of this video we're going for a 2-to-1. Now, considering that the bearish momentum is very bearish, the market momentum is bearish, we're quite happy taking to TP2. I don't really want to shoot for TP3, it's a bit far away, so TP2 is okay. So in this scenario, I would have just entered here and I take it TP2. TP1 is fine. You can have a rolling stop loss if you want. That is an option where if you hit TP1, just move your stop loss to the entry point so you're at break even. I personally like to either hit the TP2 or just TP1. I don't really like to have moving stop losses, as it's a bit of a psychological warfare that I just don't want to entertain. So this is how the trade ran. So we got in, started pushing down, happy days. A little bit of resistance there coming from a previous demand. That's not a problem, but we are bearish, and you can see that it just smashed through this area. So that was a very quick trade. Now, the reason I'm not aiming for TP3 is just in terms of the length of the leg, it's just too far, right? This one's at least sort of double in length, you know, from up here to here, it's about the same distance. So that's quite reasonable in terms of the wavelengths. Shooting for a third was just a bit too far. You can see the price would just, it starts sort of mucking around. It's also the end of the day, so it's just not got much to it. So we're quite happy taking profit here. Now, that was a super easy trade for me. Now, as I said earlier, there is a 7-day free trial, which is fantastic news for all of you guys, because it means that you get to give this a quick run out. And basically that means that you can have this on your chart for 7 days. You can test the settings out, you can trial it yourself, and you can see how many winners that it does actually give out. And of course, the lifetime is what you're going to want to get after. It is at $597 at the minute, and it is down from $1,300. So you will be saving yourself some cash in the long run, which is obviously great. And to be honest with you, if you're taking the signals, you're going to earn that money back pretty quickly anyway. So grab your 7-day free trial, then grab the lifetime and just use the indicator to make you some profits. It's just so easy. And as I've said before, when you're looking for an indicator with SMC or ICT, there are occasional that brings you in snippets. This one just packs a whole bunch in one indicator. It is fantastic. So as you can see, guys, another win for the signaler. And as you can see, it is a very simple indicator to use once you have all the settings that you like in place. Now, as I said earlier, there is a 7-day free trial. All the links that you need are in the description below. So go ahead, click those and get involved. And then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be alerted on my next videos.